Sensibility and practicality define the 2015 Ford Explorer. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include remote keyless entry, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and power front seats. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and side impact airbags, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Come on in and take a test drive.